I started off my career at FDA, did a lot of work at Merck, and then I went to Bristol Myers Squibb because I was interested in new technologies. I have kind of an infectious desire to continue to learn. I'm Greg Geyer. I'm the Chief Technical Officer. This company is founded on just unbelievably strong science. We are on this kind of cusp of the next generation of breakthrough products. You can see it coming to life. We have people that are in the TOPS organization sitting in R&D, actually helping with some of the viral vector work, truly understanding things at the very inception so that when that product comes through, they understand it intimately well. That scientific acumen is such a critical foundational skill. It really drives a seamlessness from R&D into the process development, into our commercial manufacturing, which gives us a lot higher probability of success.